and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today we're going to do the twin tag. And this is my twin sister Genevieve. You guys have met her before. She was on a previous vlog, like a old vlog long time ago. But this is my identical twin sister Genevieve, and ironically I have twin boys that are fraternal.
Hi.
So the first question is, who is the oldest?
Me?
No, she's not. I am the oldest. I'm older by 5 minutes. So
That's nothing to brag about.
I'm older. Okay. I'm the older sister.
Alright, then you can have it then.
Can you show an old photo? Are you serious? Our parents never took photos of us. They didn't really cherish us that much, so we don't have
picture us with no hair.
Dad. Favorite memory together. What is a favorite memory together?
Every day it's like we create new memories, so I don't know
what's your favorite memory. They didn't ask you if you create memory every day. They asked you what's your favorite memory.
No, you go.
What's my favorite memory? Sneaking into her classes to go do her schoolwork because she was done.
Really? That's not no memory.
Okay, an actual memory. Just hanging out with her. She's fun. She brings out the funny side of me. Like,
I bring life to the party.
Yeah, she's very fun and she's very energetic, and I like her vibe. I like her. She's my best friend.
Amen to that.
Yes. Each other's dream job.
Go best friend. Go, it's my best friend.
No, honey, we said dream job.
Dream job.
Mm-hmm.
I want to be like her. I want to be a stay-at-home mom.
No, honey, we said dream job.
That's my dream job. I've been working all my goddamn life.
She's not gonna be serious at all whatsoever, guys. But my dream job is becoming a nurse.
Well, you know I work no more.
Okay, I'm done. Who takes longer to get ready?
Ha!
Yeah, I do. I have to put my face on.
You don't have the face to put that.
You guys saw my last video where I did the get ready with me. I have to put the face on.
No, but not the face.
She don't put a face on. That's all you see. But she have the beauty. She can rock it. Hey,
all day.
Do you have anything matching?
No.
When we were older, we used to, our parents, well, my mother used to have us dressing alike like idiots. So now that we're older, we don't do that anymore.
But and we had a incident when we went to the store and we bought the same outfit.
Yeah, we weren't together.
So
we weren't together.
Yeah.
And we bought the same exact outfit.
So yeah.
And it wasn't even like the outfit was matching. It was separate items. We just came home with the same thing on the same day.
Same shirt, same pants.
Yeah. So, did you, and also I don't dress my twins alike. Never have, never will. They're their own people. So, yeah. Did you ever dress alike? Like I said, yeah, like we were like,
over it. We're over it.
Yeah.
I see grown women still do it, but
yeah, we don't.
When you have your own identity, you don't need
I never like it because they never knew us by our name. They were like 20.
Yeah. So.
What the heck is a 20? My name is Janice. That's why I have identity problem now. I don't know who I am.
I can't laugh too much.
Song you would describe each other with.
Song.
A song I would describe you with. Me no know no song to describe her. Me no know no song.
Me no know no.
We're very boring people. What color are your eyes?
Black
or brown? They're black. They're dark brown.
No, mine are black.
No, they're dark brown.
No, mine are black.
Okay, whatever.
How you gonna tell me what color my eyes?
If your eyes are black, then it's black. Okay. One thing you can do well that the other can't. Eve, answer the question.
Don't be have a headache, right? Though.
Eve, answer the question.
Is that a trick question?
No, answer the question. I can sing better than she can. We just had this discussion.
Do we have to really go?
No, we're not going back.
You want me to sing?
No, no, please don't. No, please don't. No, let's move on. Let's move on. I won't subject you guys to that.
Excuse me, my coughing.
I'm gonna have to
related to my pregnancy. Sorry.
Oh God, we don't need to know all that.
You know, just letting them know so they don't think I have kuru.
Do you have the same personalities? No, I'm very reserved.
She thinks she cocky.
No, I'm very reserved and she's very outgoing. So, But when we get together, we're a hot mess. Silliest question you get asked since you're twins.
Do you feel
each other's pain?
No, we
don't. I can sense that she's sad, but I can't feel her pain. Like if something happened to her and she cut her finger, I don't go, oh, my twin sister just cut her finger. No.
My twin sister is getting some.
No, but I can sense like, if something is wrong with her, I can sense it and I will call her and check on her.
When you call me?
The other day I called you. Every day that I call you, I say something is wrong. Oh. Something is always wrong with it. I wonder
if something was wrong.
Something probably was wrong. Something is always wrong with you.
I'm checking back.
Describe each other in one word. Funny.
Silly.
One thing that annoys you about each other.
The fact that she don't, when you call her, she takes forever to respond. You be sitting beside her and be like, Janice, and she ignores you.
I don't ignore her.
That irritates my soul.
I know. One thing that annoys me is that she's not. She doesn't stand firm. She's very wishy-washy. She'll go with the wind. She'll go with the wind wherever it blows.
No,
yeah, but you just said that I don't respond when you call me. So
she called me what?
Yeah, you're wishy-washy.
Me not wishy-washy because we go with the flow.
One word. Wishy-washy.
Okay.
One thing that annoys you about each other.
They were not just.
Nothing doesn't really bother us. Nothing really. We can get in a fight today and be friends tomorrow.
Don't try it though.
Don't.
Mother, don't try it someday.
Don't. If you could go anywhere in the world, If you could go anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why?
Where?
I don't want to go nowhere with her, so.
That's a lie. Because I'm the life of the party.
She's the life of the party. I like going on vacations with her.
True.
We go on vacations together.
True.
As a family. And it's fun. Like, it's fun. We people watch like no other.
Unbelievable fun.
One where in the world, I would go anywhere in the world with her. So it's not just one place. Nicknames you have for each other. I call her Eve.
What we used to call her? Sock tongue monkey.
I call her Eve.
We call her suck tongue monkey.
I used to suck my tongue as a child.
So we call her suck tongue monkey. That's the only name I know for her.
Oh gosh, Nisi.
Oh Nisi? No, we call it suck tongue monkey. If they call it Nisi, don't you think we remember Nisi? What?
Oh man. Do you ever get mistaken as the other twin? Yes. Let me tell you an incident.
She came to my job with her big old belly.
Let me tell you guys an incident, right? I went to Harris Teeter because this is where she works. She works in the Starbucks. She's a manager at Starbucks. And all the managers there thought I was her for the longest time.
With this big belly.
They said, hi, Janice, how you doing? And I'm like, who the heck are these people? So one day I just got tired because that's the grocery store that I shop at often. So I just got tired of them, you know, saying hi to me like I'm her. I just say, you know I'm not Genevieve, right? You know she has an identical twin sister and this is her. And they're like, no, why you didn't tell us? I was like, I didn't want to crush y'all excitement.
They get excited too.
Favorite thing about each other. My favorite thing about her is her personality. I love her personality.
What's my favorite thing about her? Jesus. We don't have a favorite.
Oh Jesus.
I love my twin sister. I do. I love everything about her. So I don't really have a favorite that's
just spit one out.
Me don't know.
Just spit out one.
Me don't know. Midgets like being around you.
Okay. Favorite inside joke. We don't have no inside joke. We don't have it. Are you identical?
These are white people questions.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't. Are you identical? Yes, we are.
Not anymore. Who's cuter?
You are cuter, but
okay.
It's with age.
I'm like fine wine.
Baby, you followed me here.
And
so I gave you the beauty.
Girl, bye.
Because I like you that much.
Girl, bye. I stayed in my mother a little bit extra longer. That 5 minutes did pay off.
Could you imagine what she would have looked like if she hadn't stayed in there 5 minutes? But anyways, that is it for the twin tag. And
I thought it was something else funny.
No, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Toodles.
Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, because I have to get it right. You have to be on point. Either you shut up or you don't do it at all. I don't know how well I can do this video with this baffle sitting right here beside me, but I'm gonna try my best because she laughs a lot, and I don't want my cheeks are gonna be swollen by the time I'm finished. But hello. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and
I'm smelling that perfume. What about the...
No, but why are you breathing so hard? Stop breathing. Why are you breathing so hard, man?
I'm breathing.
No, you're breathing real hard.
I'm alive.
No, but you're breathing too hard.
But I'm alive. Don't you want me to do?